What's up guys, this is henreeneo and you're welcome to yet another video on my channel. Today I'll be taking a look at what you can get on jumia.com.ng for just 50,000 naira. So I picked up a couple of items for 50,000 naira. These are items that I thought were going to be usable on a day-to-day basis and would last quite a good number of years for me. Jumia is holding its electronics mega sales week from the 17th to the 30th of September, meaning that you have just a couple of days to go before this event is over. So if you've been meaning to pick up that electronic item you've wanted for so long, this is the week to do that, with items going for as low as 60% off their cost price. All the items I picked were shipped to me free of charge by jumia.com.ng, meaning that you get to receive all your items without paying for shipping. Who doesn't like free stuff? Without wasting much time, let's get to unboxing the items I got from jumia.com.ng, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Yeah. All right, people, so here are the boxes that we are going to be unboxing today. I've already opened this one up, and the first item I have in here is this is a hard drive that I decided to get because I was thinking what would be worth it to get for 25,000 naira. This is really hard. Whoa, hold on. All right, so I just got my scissors, so I'm going to be opening this up. It's really difficult to open the first time. There you go. Yeah, so the first item I decided to get was a Seagate 2TB external hard drive. It's this one cost me about 25,000 naira, so that's practically half of the amount of money I spent on jumia.com.ng. Let's just take a look and see what's in the box here. All right, so there you have it. You have a couple of manuals in here, and then you have your cable and the hard drive up top here. It's a really very slim hard drive. It's incredibly slim. I mean, from the pictures I saw, I thought it was going to be like a bit big, but this is really tiny, and it's a 2 TB hard drive. So the second item I decided to get here are the Uflex headphones. They're a wireless pair of headphones and from Samsung. I thought this would be something good to get because I could use this on a day-to-day basis, and since I got the Xiaomi Mi 8 without the headphone jack, this was also something I thought would be worth it. So here you go. These are the Uflex headphones. They're Bluetooth wireless headphones. Let's cut through the tape here. So these are the headphones, and I absolutely hate the color I got. I thought it was going to be the black ones, but these are a weird kind of greenish blue. What the heck? Anyway, these are your charging cable. They're micro USB. We've got some manual and a couple of extra ear tips. So we're done with this. Let's set this aside for now. So I picked up two items, and one of it again was a power bank. This is a 15,000 milliampere power bank. And oh boy, this is a very compact power bank. Wow, this is really compact. It's just like your card. All right, so to give you perspective on how small this power bank is, this is a regular PHCN card, and just look at this. Look at how small this power bank is. So not a bad one. It's called the Voucher power bank. Good. And the other item I got in here again, I saw this one and it looked kind of cute, and I thought I should pick it up as well. All right, so this is a tripod I got. I saw it and I thought it was cute and that you could use it for shooting videos with your smartphone. So I decided to get it, and this one costs just about 1,200 or 1,500. I'll leave the links to these devices in the in the description of this video. fit in your smartphone. So you see how it works. You could even put it and wrap it around your wrist like this. And see, and there, you can record your video. So it's a versatile tripod that you could use. It's made to look like your Gorilla Pod, but it's much more smaller and not as strong as your Gorilla Pod anyway. So this is another item you could pick up. And finally, the last item I picked up, oh, one more thing, it's also got a remote control, so you can start your recording with this remote control included. All right, so the last item I decided to get is this HP 2630 DexJet printer, and I decided to get this again. I'm sure you guys saw me unbox the printer sometime last week. This is the box for the unit that Jumia.com.ng sent me, and this is my own unit. I decided to get this again because I thought it was a very good value to price, or price to value ratio rather. And this printer is worth it. If you have this at home, you can do easy printing from your mobile devices or even from your laptops or desktop PCs. So these are all the devices I got from Jumia.com.ng for just 50,000 naira. We have a 15,000 milliamp power bank. We have a 2 terabyte hard drive. It's a Seagate hard drive. We've got this Gorilla sort of tripod, smartphone tripod for recording videos. So if you're starting your YouTube channel, this is a very budget tripod on Jumia, and it's really very cheap. This went for about 1,500 naira. And then I also got a Samsung U-Flex headphone for about 10,000 naira. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you like the items I picked out for 50,000 naira. If you thought those items weren't good enough, or you have ideas of your own items you could have picked out, I'd love to see them in the comment section down below. Remember, Jumia is holding its electronics mega sales week from the 17th to the 30th of September, meaning we have just a couple of days before this event is over. You can get electronics items for as low as 40%, meaning 60% have been taken off their original prices, and these items will be shipped to you for absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I put up new content. Until I come your way again next time, have a great day and peace.